So part of our ASU flight program, we are also trained as a drone pilot. So we actually, we're required by the FAA to be certified, just like a pilot's license. You have to have what's called a drone license. So we're all certified pilots, and we carry a drone license that we carry with us. And that this basically says that we are certified to fly these in the performance of our jobs. So that gives us the legal authority, and then we have the equipment, and then now we're able to respond and assist any other agency. Even within our own agency, what the drone program does and what these unmanned aerial systems do is they allow us to, let's say, respond to a traffic crash or a closure of the interstate. We can get the drone set up at the scene, plug in the parameters of that crash scene, then we can fly over that crash scene, and the drone will take a series of pictures and videos, and we couple that with our reconstruction team, and we can take all those high definition photos. They can use that to help in that investigation. And we could capture hundreds of pictures in just a short time, along with video of the scene. It's as good of a camera as if we had an SLR camera. And so we're in high definition. We have video and zoom capability. We have a 6-power zoom. We're able to actually fly out over the water. We have an effective distance of 5 miles with this. So we could fly offshore a couple of miles and look for, let's say, a boat in distress. So let's say you have, one of our scenarios here today is there's actually a Milwaukee Fire Department boat out on the water, and that we're looking for somebody that possibly has been lost or maybe possibly drowned or something like that. We can fly over the top of that area and identify, locate that person and that victim, get real-time GPS coordinates of where they're located at, and then turn around, communicate that to the responding first responders, and then they can go right to there. I could stay over to the top, and if I could communicate, I'd talk down to that person, ask them, can you hear me? Can you wave your arms? If you can hear me, wave your arm. We have help coming, stay with me. And then I could stay overhead as long as I have battery power to do so until the responding rescue personnel get to that person.